Namaste. My name is Viren Khulla. I am a stage 4 cancer survivor. After a lot of struggle in India, I had to go to USA to get my treatment for peripheral neuropathy. This was caused due to large doses of life-saving chemotherapy. I used to suffer immensely due to the pain and discomfort in both my hand and feet. It felt like I was walking barefoot on hot coals. I couldn't even hold a glass of water or even a pen. I had to get a walking cane to get to my washroom. Because of all these problems, I became a very gloomy and stressful person. I even wished my life would come to an end, as living like this became meaningless. The fact, my friends, that you are still watching this video likely means that you or someone you care for has peripheral neuropathy or cancer. If so, I have some wonderful news for you. Even in the US, it took me a while to find a correct device or a doctor who could reduce my agony from peripheral neuropathy. After a lot of effort, I met a senior chiropractor who had treated himself as well as many others. Under his guidance and with the help of some very fine devices, my pain and other symptoms of peripheral neuropathy reduced considerably. Mainly, peripheral neuropathy is caused due to weak heart, diabetes, old age, or heavy medication. The most common symptoms are spiked pain, burning, numbness, or tingling. A single patient can have all these symptoms, or any one or more. My advice to you is the sooner you start your treatment with Ultima Neuro, which is a very fine device, you have more chances of total recovery from peripheral neuropathy. The Ultima Neuro was designed as an advanced neuropathy stimulator, a breakthrough in reduction of pain and discomfort associated with peripheral neuropathy. Unlike a basic stimulator, the Ultima Neuro signals are precise, with an auto feedback loop that allows the device to regulate the voltage based on different tissue masses. So the stimulator knows when treating a heavy set person versus a thinner place or a thinner person. The Ultima Neuro comes packed in its own case where it will be stored safely after use. Two cables come with the device. You can fix them like this, like I have fixed one over here, and the other one I've just kept it separately to show you. You attach one lead to the garment. Let's say you have neuropathy of feet and you're using a sock. This sock is made out of silver fabric. Pure silver thread is used inside in its weaving so that the currents are passed evenly all over the affected area. And the other lead, you could either take a cuff or even a simple electrode. Electrodes come like this. These can all be bought separately, like the garments and the cuff. And you put the other lead in the cuff. First, you wear the cuff and then the sock, so that the sock and the cuff do not touch each other and earth. Either you could soak the sock first and the cuff in good distilled water, or you can spray them with distilled water
nicely everywhere so that the conductivity even increases more. And similarly with the cuff. The water to be used has to be distilled, or some very clean water from your arrow can also be used, but I prefer distilled water. This device is a fully automated device. You just put on and you have to show it the arrows to increase the intensity so that you can stop wherever you are feeling uncomfortable. So you need not do it at the topmost speed. Every person has its own capacity of this treatment. And slowly, as you get used to it, you can keep on increasing the intensity. You have to start slowly and then keep on increasing it. It comes with a very long life battery. This battery needs to be charged for 6 to 8 hours the first time, and after that every week you should charge it once, as the best results come when the battery is fully charged. All the garments, the sock, the glove, the cuffs are all sold separately, and you can buy them in pairs or single as per your requirement. I hope I have been able to explain you how to use Ultima Neuro. If you have any further questions, you are free to call me at the number given below. Thank you.